like a boat.
It does look like a boat, huh?
Uh-huh.
Okay, show me what you can do. Wait, what color is that?
Yellow. Wait. Sorry.
What color is that?
Yellow.
And the other one?
Blue.
Okay. Now we can make the shape. You can make the boat.
Like this.
Did you do it? Let me see. Take your hand away. See? You did it.
I did the boat.
You did it, Lucas. Say cheese.
Cheese.